From keen to knock, learn useful English words with simple meanings, common collocations, and real examples you can use every day. Keen, very interested or excited about something. She is keen to learn English. He has a keen interest in music. There is keen competition for the job. Both keen and eager mean very interested or excited to do something. Keen is more common in British English. Eager is more common in American English. She is keen to learn English. She is eager to learn English. Both sentences mean the same. Small nuance. Eager often shows a stronger feeling, more energy, more emotion. Keen can also mean liking something in a general way. She is eager to start. I am keen on football. Kernel, the small, important part of something. Eat the corn kernel, the inner part of a seed or nut. She ate an almond kernel. The chicken ate a corn kernel. Wheat kernels are used to make flour. Kernel, the most important or central idea. The kernel of the problem is lack of communication. This paragraph contains the kernel of his argument. Kernel of truth, a small part of something that is true, even if the rest is not. His story sounds strange, but there is a kernel of truth in it. You use it when something is mostly wrong or exaggerated, but not completely false. Kidnap, to take a person away illegally by force. They tried to kidnap the man, but he managed to escape from his kidnappers when they were not paying attention. The police found the kidnap victim. Attempt to kidnap. He made an attempt to kidnap her. Kidnapper, a person who kidnaps someone. The kidnapper was arrested. Kidnapper gang. The kidnapper gang was caught. Kidnapping, the act of taking someone illegally. The kidnapping shocked the town. The police are investigating a kidnapping case. They reported a kidnapping. The kidnapping victim is safe now. Kind, nice, and caring to others, she is a kind teacher. He is a very kind person. Be kind to treat someone in a nice and caring way. Be kind to animals. Be kind to older people. Kind, a group of things that are similar. What kind of music do you like? What kind of car is this? This kind of food is very popular. I don't like this kind of weather. What kind of movies do you watch? Kind of used to make something less strong, less direct, or not exact. To mean a little or somewhat, this movie is kind of boring. Makes the sentence softer, not very strong. I am kind of tired. To show uncertainty or approximation. You are not 100% sure or exact. It's kind of strange. He is kind of angry. To be less direct, more polite. I kind of need your help. Sounds softer and less strong. I kind of forgot. In spoken English, it is often pronounced kinda. I'm kinda busy. Knit, to make clothes using wool and needles. She knits every evening. She knitted a sweater. This scarf was knit by hand. I want to learn to knit. Knitting, the activity of making clothes with wool. Knitting is relaxing. Knitting is her hobby. Knitwear, clothes made from knitted wool. This shop sells knitwear. This is warm knitwear. Knitting needles. I bought new knitting needles. Ball of yarn. A round shape of yarn used for knitting. I bought a ball of yarn for my sweater. Ball of wool. Very common in British English. She knits a sweater with a ball of wool. Keep. To continue having or doing something. Keep your room clean. Keep calm and relax. Keep going. You are doing well. Can you keep a secret? If you want to go deeper into keep, check out the link to our full video. No. To have information or be familiar with someone. I know the answer.
Do you know him? I know him very well.
How do you know him? How do you know them? I've known him all my life.
I want to get to know you. I want to learn more about you, your personality, your life, your interests.
It can be romantic. I'd like to get to know you better.
In a neutral context, just friendly, quite social, I want to get to know my new coworkers. A know-it-all is a person who thinks they know everything and often shows it in a way that can be annoying. It is commonly used in a slightly negative way. Another similar expression is smart aleck, which is more informal and usually describes someone who makes clever or sarcastic comments to show off.
He is such a know-it-all. Don't be a smart aleck. Knowledge, information, and understanding about something. He has a lot of knowledge. You can gain knowledge by reading. General knowledge. This quiz tests general knowledge. She has deep knowledge of history. Knock, to hit a door to get attention. He knocked on the door. Someone knocked on the door. He knocked loudly.
These K words will help you sound more natural and confident in English. Keep practicing and try to use them in your daily conversations.